Do you know, it's summer, so I thought I'd put my bikini on. Do you like it? It's nice color, isn't it? Nice bikini. Shall we go do something fun for the summer? Yes. What about, I've got something going there. Do you fancy a bit of sanding with me? You like a lady with power tools, don't you? Because we know that's power tool and a half, a sander. But you've got to be health and safety, because you know me, I obey every rule there is, and if there's no rules, I'll make them up, because I've got to obey to something, because I'm a good citizen, and you know, good citizens, they obey absolutely every rule, even if they make no sense at all. So, for my sanding today, I've got protective equipment, PPE, not a sort that you put when you've got the flu going round, but those you do when you're going to do a bit of noisy work and exposure to possibly damaging dusts. So first of all, I'll show you my equipment. It's my plumbing equipment for all of you who have watched my plumbing video the other day. You've watched it, so you know I've got those goggles. Yes, you know I've got my mask for dust with asbestos dust on it, because I need to change the filters and I haven't. My ear defenders, and my hair that's just fallen down, because the hair needs to be tied up so it doesn't get into the machine. So in this case, this machine, it will not catch very much, but best to be safe. And then my rubber gloves, which we will put on last. So we start with this. This is a very good mask for the plumber, but of course after putting that on I won't be able to say a thing, so I'll finish putting it on afterwards in a minute. We've got my ear defenders, my favorite part. In fact, if the cameraman wanted ear defenders, he could well have his own over there. That's it, thank you. And the glasses, I think the sound man needs some help there. Thank you very much for your help, Tina. It's very kind. Yes, Tina is lovely. She's a very helpful neighbor. She's always helping me to look. That's Bono's glasses, so I can look like a rock star. That's it. Do I look good now? And next we've got this one. I'll put the gloves on first. Blue. What do you think? Blue and orange? I say yes. We're in the Bahamas, baby, as they say. Oh. Are you ready? that this is free. It's not doing anything now. Shall we open it? No. Yes, it's not doing very much at all now. Is that enough? Let's have a look to see in there if there's any dust. It could be the dust. In which case I'll have to get Henry out. Oh, no, it's not that at all. Oh, that's strange. The sando stops working. Maybe it's too hot. Well, I say maybe that's it for the sanding, but have I finished this side? I'll have to do it a bit by hand now. Good old-fashioned sanding. No more power tools for the lady now. Look at that, lovely, lovely. Beautiful, I think I'm happy with that. Now we can get Henry involved. And I don't really need this, do I? I could keep my ear defenders for Henry, for a treat. I think I've got very dusty, so I need a shower after that. That's strange, that's certainly not working, isn't it? Oh well. Never mind. So, miraculously, this is already plugged in. Lovely. This is the best tool for this, the brush. Performing beautifully. Oh, beautiful Sunday. You couldn't get any better than this. Traces are all on the table. No. The queen would be proud to have this table where she is now. Oh, I'm sure it's well sanded enough. That's nothing at all. You're just imagining you do it's there. Don't stand it. But, oh God, look at my hair. It's disgusting. I think I need to ask to I need to vacuum my hair really, as I really just oh yeah, look at that as well. Dust everywhere. Not very nice. No, I don't like it. Let's put the brush on. I have to vacuum myself, otherwise the shower will be blocked up with dust. Probably. try and do my hair now because they're all dusty too. Oh, that vibrates funny. That's done now. Yes. Don't want to vacuum too much in case it gets knots. Because with very long hair like that, you don't want any knots in it. Thank you very much, Tina, for helping de-dusting my hair. Oh, that's strange. I don't think I like that. Like a dog licking your face a bit too hard, right? And she as well, I think that's it. Beautiful job. Thank you very much for helping me with my summer fun.